Hello students, as you all know that our school is going to shift on MS Teams platform for online classes henceforth. So you are supposed to log into the same app on your device. This app is available for both your laptop, means your personal computer, or your smartphone. So now let's start with how to do this, how to download and how to use this app. For this, first of all, you are supposed to go to your browser, search for MS Teams and download it. See MS Teams download. It will show you the app in the search list. First option in the search list is suitable for you. Download desktop and mobile apps, Microsoft Teams. Click on it. Now it is searching for the app. It is showing you options here. Out of this, first you will select search to India English. Then there are two platforms, desktop and mobile. Decide depending on your device. Desktop I am downloading for. Then downloading has started. Once your downloading is complete, you will see the icon on your desktop. Like see, I show you here. Once my downloading is complete, I can see the icon on the desktop. Identify the icon. T is for Teams. Click on this to open it, to enter the interface. First thing is sign in. Sign in ID is provided by your teacher. Use it. I am taking some sample ID of a student. It is consisting of your admission number, school name and the Microsoft website name. So type your ID carefully. Then click on sign in. Now the second step is to provide the password, which is very important. It is case sensitive, so be very careful when you are typing your password. It is consisting of numbers, letters, capital letters or symbols. So write it carefully. Click on sign in. Now it is asking you to update your password, means reset. Set your own password now. First write the password given by the teacher. Now you are allowed to type your own password. Again a combination of symbol, number, capital letter and a small letter. See, it is very important to note down your password somewhere because every time you need the password to sign in. So be careful when you are typing and write it down in some notebook or somewhere wherever you can find it back. Now confirm your password, means new password. Again you have to confirm whether you have remembered it or not. Sign in. Now you have entered the interface. Now see your screen, how your app looks like. Team is opening it. It may take some time depending on your network speed. Once it is open, you will see all the features. Now see, the ID I have used is a student of class 5C and all the options are available on your left hand side on your desktop. If you are using it on mobile phone, you will see all the options on the bottom of your screen. So don't get confused. On both the devices, you will find the options. Now how to collect information from these options? First thing is activity. See, your profile pic is there. Join or create team option is there. This is your class information. And when I click on activity, I will see all the information about my class, what post my teacher has given, where the meeting has been conducted, what are the next scheduled meetings. You can see here July 1 meeting scheduled at 9 a.m. and which teachers have already taken the class. So all details you can find here. You can start a new conversation here. Second is chat. Chat is you can chat to anyone, to your classmate or your teacher. Team is your class. So when you click on team, you will get all the information about your class, your subjects. You will go to your subjects, particular subject to attend their class or see the details or the assignments. Calendar will give you the complete information about your scheduled classes during the week. Meet now will start your meeting. Let's start a meeting. click on meet now. This child is Jaspreet Kaur and JK is the initial. Instead of initial, you can put your profile pic also, as you put in your Facebook account or in your WhatsApp. Now see the features here. Camera to switch it on or off, mute or unmute option here. Then next is share. You can share picture or anything. More option will provide you some extra options like start recording, end meeting, keypad, etc. You will get familiar when you will start using this app. Then you have raise hand option to ask any question in the class. And next to this, show conversation. Right side, see the conversation is shown. You can type your message also. You can see all the chat during the class. And this option show you the participants, how many children are participating in the class. And last is hang up, means you can leave the meeting now, your class is over. Now this is asking about some ranking. You can dismiss it here, nothing to do with this. Now join option you have seen. All these are the options available for you. You can sign out now. This is important to sign out so that your brother or sister can also join other class on the same device. And you have to keep in mind, sign out and sign in and remember your password, very important.